Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MMEX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, actually does a great job of mapping out and just making it very clear, a very logical question. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a nice bounce. I mean, from where it was here at its low to where it eventually closed, I think everybody would agree, yeah, that was a good solid bounce today. But that does lead into the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering this question very straightforward. For me, it all revolves around a single point. That's why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. And that key level is down here at 0.012. Why is 0.012 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, the price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 0.012. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's literally putting the price back inside of this range where it was when the price is, flirting with those lows. Whereas, let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around on top of the range, does not go back to where it was, and then heads up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing the upwards direction, or in other words, the price is making progress forward. And that's what truly strong moves do. They're going to make progress as time goes by. And I'm just defining and quantifying quote-unquote progress as 0.012. Now, what about areas of resistance? First area of resistance, the next key battleground next week, remember the markets are closed tomorrow, is up there at 0.015. So that'll be the initial area of resistance. And then after that, keep an eye on the 50-period simple moving average, which will also serve as resistance. You can see back here in the history of the chart, it's already acted as resistance a couple of times. But before you start even talking about or worrying about doing battle with the 50-period moving average, first got to get up First got to break up above 0.015. All in all, though, no doubt about it, nice bounce today. We'll see if the bulls can build upon it or not next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.